In this class, we are going to learn about 8085 microprocessor programming concept, how to write assembly code and execute this. And now we are going to perform interchanging of two numbers, that means swaps, using 8085 simulator. So let's see the example and try to understand. So first of all, MVI move immediate first input, suppose you in b values 20. Okay, this is the hex code. And now mvi b values also 20. Now another register, suppose d, so you store 30 values. Okay, and now move a comma b, that means b values move into a register, and then move b register comma d register, that means d register value move into b register, and now move d register comma accumulator register, so accumulator register move into d register, and then hlt halt. That means stop the program execution. So now run this program. What happened? Assemble, then run. You know, a b register value 20 and d register 30, this is the input value, and now output values you see b register include 30, b register 30 and d register 20. You can see here 30 and 20, these two values are interchanging. So thanks for watching. Try to understand first one logic. Okay, so a comma b, that means a values equals to b values is stored, b values, that means 20. Okay, and here in this code what happened, b equals to d register value stored in b register, that means 30, and in this code d register stored, that means a values as me 20. You can see this is the output values. Okay, b30, and you can see b20, and here d20, and here d30. So this is the interchanging of two numbers.